Welcome, angels. Keep on watching this video to see how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Okay, y'all, so this video is sponsored by LEEVEN Sasha Happy Everyday Butterfly Lock 12-inch crochet hair. This by far was the most beautifulest thing that I have ever received. The quality is great. I did wash the hair before I did install it, but yes, this hair is really good. I will definitely put the hair link down in the description box so you guys can try it out yourselves. So I did part from ear to ear, just to get it started. I parted from ear to ear for my back, and I did show you guys that right there. And then I made 17 parts in the back, and then 23 parts in the front. And I will show you how I did part my hair so you can get the exact same look that I got. I really did enjoy this look. Like, it was so pretty to me. And I really do recommend you guys to do this instead of wrapping, because literally crochet is more protective. I mean, wrapping is protective too, but it does take a little bit while longer, you know, but for the crochet, it is way easier, and it does not take that So this is 3 parts, and then on top of it, the top row, it's 4 parts. I mean, y'all can't see that like that, but it is definitely 4 parts. So I'm using Shine Jam for the parts, just to get my hair looking shiny, to keep it looking nice and clean. So I do use rubber bands for this, and I do end up twisting my hair while it's in the rubber band. This is the narrow bead that I use at the end to make it look shiny. I have a crochet needle as well to crochet the hair in. This is a crochet method, not the wrapping style. I do have a comb. I don't comb my hair. I just part it with the rat tail end of the comb. And then some clips to clip my hair out of the way. So I went on ahead and did the back. I just want to show y'all so y'all can get a better view of the parts and how it looks. It looks so pretty. I really love this hair. Yeah, so just 3 4 4 2, I believe, or 3 4 4 4 2 for the rows is how they were parted, and it really took not that long. It was so fun installing it and so easy. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how it looks in the back. So all I'm doing right here is finger detangling my hair. This is dirty hair, by the way. I did not wash my hair. I did not blow dry it out. I just had my hair braided. I took it out, and then boom, that's what I did. So this is dirty hair. I didn't want to wash my hair or blow dry my hair. I don't blow dry my hair no more, just because for natural, you know, trying to get my hair healthy reasons. And then I'm just finger detangling it, and then I'm going to add this Shine Jam on it once it's finished detangling. You do want to make sure that you are adding the shine jam to the whole entire piece just to get it tamed, especially if your hair is not blow dried. If you didn't want to put no heat on your hair, you definitely want to make sure that you get the shine jam through all of the strands of the hair to make it easier to maintain and easier to manipulate inside of the butterfly lock. Then I'm going to add my rubber band. I'm not going to tie it on there tightly because I don't want to pull my hair out. And then I'm going to twist the strands, two strand twist the hair instead of braiding it. I'm not braiding it because just don't want to braid my hair just right now. So I'm going to twist it for Christian purposes. So that's what I'm doing in this section. So all you do is just slide the crochet needle, and then you want to open up the butterfly lock and then lock it inside the crochet needle and just pull it through, and it's that simple. Then once you pull it through, you want to basically grab the end of the butterfly lock and your hair and put it through the hole to create a knot. That is how you attach the butterfly locks. It's so easy. So once you guys knot the butterfly lock or crochet the butterfly lock onto your real hair, you want to then stick the crochet needle through the hair, like through the whole butterfly lock in the middle of it. And then you want to grab your hair now and you want to lock it in the crochet needle. Then you want to bring it through the hair. That's how you don't show your hair while wearing these. And it also protects your hair as well. This part is totally optional. This is just if you want your hair to last long and to look shiny, look presentable. You want to add the narrow bead and just rub it through your hair, especially on your scalp. Then you want to grab a blow dryer. You can put it on warm, hot, cold, whatever, just as long as air's blowing through it, and start drying the narrow bead on your hair to get it looking nice and shiny. clip my hairstyle, then I'm done. And I really did love this look, y'all. This look is so pretty to me. I really do love the length. I love the texture of the hair. I love the style. The style is really nice, and this hairstyle can last you for a long time, especially with the rubber bands. And yeah, y'all, that's really it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.